In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a creator dashboard in Glide. We're going to walk through the basic process of setting up a simple dashboard inside Glide so you can visualize your data in a clean and useful way. This is a great approach if you want to track creator performance, content metrics, or any other information in a format that is easy to read at a glance. To get started, open your browser and go to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and access your account. After you're inside Glide, open the app you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct project, since this is where your dashboard will be added and customized. Now that the app is open, go to the navigation area and click Add. At this stage, you'll choose the data source for your dashboard. This part is important because the data source is what powers the information your charts will display. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the table or dataset that contains the numbers or categories you want to visualize. Next, move over to the right panel and choose a style. This controls how the dashboard section appears, so pick the option that best fits the look and feel of your app. Depending on your layout, you may want something more compact or something more visual and spacious. The goal is to keep the dashboard clear and easy to scan. After that, go to the left panel and click Add Component. From the list of components, choose either a bar graph or a line graph. A bar graph is usually helpful when you want to compare values across categories, while a line graph is a strong choice if you want to show trends over time. Choose the one that best matches the kind of story your data is telling. Once the graph is added, head back to the right panel and set the X and Y axis. The X axis usually represents your labels, categories, or time periods, and the Y axis represents the values you want to measure. Be careful here because choosing the right fields will make your dashboard much more meaningful and easier for users to understand. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your updated dashboard live so it can be viewed and used in your Glide app. And that's it. Your creator dashboard is now built in Glide. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to build a creator dashboard. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.